Hello and welcome. Today we are going to look into the JavaScript map function. The map function is used on JavaScript arrays. It is going to iterate through the array elements and perform the given operation inside the function. For example, we can have an array of this elements. We can call map function on this, and the map returns new array, name it as B. So here we can the map iterate through the all the elements, and we can define a function. Will perform adding 1 to all the elements of an array, which will look something like this. And then we can print out the new array. So we get the new array as all the elements are increased by 1. Similarly, you can reduce, you can perform any other function. You can add +5, -5, or any other things. Like you can create a new array will have all the elements reduced by 1. In the arrow function or any function, any previously declared function, so we get the new array here. This is how we can use map function. Mainly it can also be used in React and other frameworks. In React we use map to render the components. Thank you.